In this video, we are going to see how we can find or delete the search history on Facebook. So let's say that you have find or search for different pages, different profiles, and now you want to get rid of all of the search history. Here's what you can do about it. First of all, just head over to the top right hand corner and click on the profile icon of yours and click on the settings and privacy and head over to the settings. And then you click on the account center. Basically click on see more in account center, and from here we select your information and permissions, and from here you select the search history, and it says keep searches for the default for 7 days. You can keep it for 14 days so that you don't have to remove it every single time. It will auto clear the search history after 30 days. So let's say that we want to keep this setting, click on confirm, but also we want to clear the previous searches as well. So let's select the profile. This is it, newest to oldest. This is all the search history. So this is how you can view it. But right now, if you want to clear all searches, you can just click on this particular button and delete it for all time. Click on clear all searches. And now if we click on the profile, it will not show any search history here. And that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.